Who knows what evil lurks in the hearts of men?
Never borrow money needlessly, just when you must. Borrow them with all very casualty from folks you trust.
What is it?
Confidently from
Yeah.
HFC. Household Finance Corporation offices are listed in your telephone book.
She doesn't want to play with you. Morning, Pippi. Are you mad at me too? Poor Pippi. What are you doing? Hello? What are you doing? Mom, you can eat the food I gave you. There's nothing wrong with it. You too? No. I am not getting different food until you guys eat what you have. Listen guys, I have a limit. I can't hold all of you at the same time. Ow, 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 ow. I can't hold all of you at the same time. I'm sorry, Pippi. I'm sorry. Poor Pippi. She's so offended now. This poked my arm and it hurt real bad. Doing a little better today. Just not feeling well. They changed how Moira looks. What did he just eat?
Cookie.
Is that a cookie?
Fist bump.
Yeah, I think I got fist bump. I remember seeing. Ah, she's so cool. You don't like the robot one though, do you? As much?
Not much, yeah.
Excuse you, ma'am.
A mellow, mild
Excuse
creamo,
you.
a winning smoke by far. You can search every clime, but at 3 for a dime, you can't beat a Cremo cigar. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen of the sweet-scented cigar-smoking society. This is Arthur Godfrey down in Washington, D.C. Mike Man Godfrey, Cremo's capricious custodian of the calorific cantata.
We interrupt this episode to bring you exciting news about how you can support small businesses. Stay tuned after the show to learn more. Are you tired of losing your spot in your knitting? Would you like to add some unique handmade items to your accessories? Look no further than Simply Serving on Etsy.com. Simply Serving is a woman-run handmade business that offers a wide range of handmade products. From stitch markers to earrings and necklaces, Simply Serving can guarantee a personalized experience for artists and lovers of the arts. Using crafting supplies such as economically sourced wood, polymer clay, and US printed paintings, Simply Serving is sure to have something you will love. So head on over to simplyserving.etsy.com and see how you can support artists who make their living with their own two hands. Simply Serving. Notions and accessories, handmade just for you.